Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn app using your phone. This is an important security feature that helps protect your account from unauthorized access. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Sign In and Security. Next, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. Then, click on Setup to start the process. You will see a menu with options. Choose Phone Number and SMS. Click Continue to proceed. Enter your phone number and type in your LinkedIn password. After that, tap Send Code. You will receive a 6-digit code via SMS. Enter the code in the app. Finally, click Verify to complete the setup. Your LinkedIn account is now protected with two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and ensures that only you can access your account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.